So traders, I believe that there is a slingshot pattern that's about to emerge in the markets, and I believe it's going to be an incredible move for the markets. And also want to cover on silver and gold, guys. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video, because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders, make sure you have access to that free training course, link in the description. Now let's go check on the one thing I really want to share with you guys about these markets is I believe there is a slingshot pattern that is emerging across the markets right now. And now what is that? What is this? What is a slingshot pattern, right? You know a slingshot, right? You know how you got the slingshot. You got the slingy shot, right? All right, so you got the slingshot pattern. All right, you got your rubber band. Step it right back, right? And then guess what happens? Whooshka! Away we go, right? So it pulls back first before we go through the what? Before we go through the slingshot pattern in the markets, right? So one thing I honestly believe is that, especially if there's a Trump victory, now if he doesn't get a victory, then the whole world's screwed. But not a sensible note, guys. Looking at the markets right now, this drop and this pullback here to me is the first sign of a slingshot move, right? Because looking at, say, the Dow Jones, I believe we're likely to be getting this pullback here, and then probably not going to be doing much for the next few weeks before we get what? A slingshot move. Look at the S&P 500, just holding here. Look at the Russell, right? The Russell always getting what? A bit of a pullback through here. What's coming? Whoosh guy, especially the Russell, right? King Russell, guys, King Russell. Now, that's what I'm seeing right now across all the board through there. Let's go look at gold and silver right now, okay? So gold and silver. This is the silver market. I believe the silver market could be getting ready for a really big move. And I believe the silver market is going to start to outpace from now onwards the gold market. Now, when it comes to the silver market, right? When it comes to the silver market, guess what? We see this silver market here, and we see that we actually have this sort of nice upward movement through here. We have this sideways sort of consolidation through here, and we have the breakout from here. So one thing that I am seeing right now across these markets, okay, is I'm seeing that silver is probably like going to start to make some, I believe, an extraordinary quality move out of these markets. But looking at this level through here, looking at what's going on right now, we can see that once again, if silver can get down towards these levels down here, a bit more of a pullback, I believe that's going to be a retest of that high there, and then away we go in the markets, right? So that's away we go in the markets. But the danger around this whole market through here is this gold market through here. And this is something, guys, I'm telling you right now, this is something, right? Something. And what I mean by something is gold is so strong right now. And I'm still getting, we'll put it this way, right? Gold, people, there's so many people bullish gold right now. And it has been like that for quite some time, right? Gold. Traders, get ready for a significant pullback. A significant pullback, I believe, is coming out of gold. Now, some people are going to be saying, John, but you've been saying that for the last few days. I'm not talking about one day, right, you monkey? All right, I'm talking about just an overall basis, okay? An overall basis to see what's going on here. And that means like we may not do much for a week. We may go up for a week. But we're getting towards the end of this leg to the upside before we actually start to see a drop to the downside. So I'm not sure what that's about. I'm not sure whether like maybe if Trump gets in, they're going to take that on. They're going to take that as, okay, well, supersonic boom out of the indices, and maybe gold starts to pull back a little bit, because gold has already done such a big move, guys, right? Remember, gold has already done such a big move out of these markets from here. So one thing you want to see is, and one thing that I do see through here when it comes to the gold market, is that, I don't know, maybe it's shaping up right now for what I do believe maybe when the election happens, gold starts to sell off a bit, and we start to get an incredible move out of the actual indices from here as well too. So a quick little update, guys, around the actual mining sector for you guys. Mining sector, if we have a look at the mining sector, very strong upward trend right now. Yeah, we are getting a little bit of a pullback, but as you can see, right, we only get a certain distance away from the moving average. Certain distance away, certain distance away, certain distance away, right? So we only get a certain distance away from the moving average. Then what happens? If we now this one here got much further away, didn't it? Much further away. Now what's happening? Now we're getting a pullback towards the moving average, right? So if you're ever looking for long signals and you bring on your 52 moving average on the daily charts, and you're looking for long signals and you see that we've already made such a big move, quite a nice move away from the moving average, well then you know we've actually had a nice price move to the upside, right? A nice move to the upside, and now we could be getting into the overbought section from there. So look at the GDXJ and the same sort of situation, right, guys? You can see how that we got, this is sort of the maximum distance away. Look at this here. It actually got a lot. Look how far away that actually got from there to there. Now, guess what's happening? And now, as you guys see through here, right, that this is how markets work. When we get too far away from the moving average, we pull back to it. We pull back to it. We pull back to it. That's why if you wait for the market to go up and you're trying to go long, or even try to go long here in the mining sector, you're probably getting crushed right now, because if you wait for the market to go up and then you go long, then it's now no bueno, no good, right? And also looking at the actual, the silver mining sector is actually quite strong. Really strong, right? We had this sideways period through here. We had this breakout. We're right at this level of resistance right now. But the silver mining stocks is actually quite strong. Again, I wouldn't be too surprised to see a little bit of a correction out of the actual mining sector. But after that, guys, I see a really big move. So what's shaping up right now is a slingshot pattern coming in the markets. But there is definitely a warning bells coming across the screen right now when it comes to the stock market. So traders, if you do need some help with your trading right now and you do need some guidance right now, I've opened up applications to my 12-month coaching program. That the whole coaching program is you get access to my number one trading strategy, get access to the scans, and every single week I run a weekly live group coaching session for my inner circle group, and I'm there answering every question. This is a 12-month process that I send you down. You've got homework, and you also get access to a Facebook group as well too. So this is me coaching you and guiding you and sending you down the process. If you have been struggling right now, for all of this year, and you really do need some help, then I know that I can help you. But it's an application only. I only have a small group every single year that I take on. Like literally this year right now, that the people who join me, there's only been around about 20 or so people in that group from there. So the whole thing about this is that if you do need some help and you'd like to apply for the 2025, I've opened up some spots. There should be a link in the description there. Click on that. Go fill out the application form, guys, and I'll speak to you guys real soon.